Hello everyone, welcome back to Lynn's Homestead. Been a busy day today. Got the roof fixed, got the spreader ready for action, spread the grass seed perfectly. I can hardly wait to use it for seed, or not seed, fertilizer. So, I got to show you about what happened, or what at least I think happened with that pressure washer, why the engine was locked up. Most of the time when you get top dead center, pistons at the top, most of the time, the rod, the connected to the crankshaft, is off one side or the other. For some unknown reason, this Honda had it straight up and down. So when you pull on the rope, and you got just an itty-bitty thing trying to turn a great big thing, it just couldn't do it, because it was basically like locking your elbow. So, that's kind of unusual. This is only the second engine I've seen it happen in. Let me show you what normally happens. Here. It's almost top dead center. It's just before. You see the angle. Now, when it shuts off, it should never stop like the other one did. It's going to stop here or on this side. That way, when you pull the rope, it has something to rotate it around. That's what I think happened with that pressure washer. So, when you look at the two pictures, side by side, engine locked up with not being locked up, and engine free. So, that's my explanation for what happened with the pressure washer. Anyways, I wanted to make a video on that. This actually makes video number 160. Didn't think I'd get that high. And this way, next time, if you have a problem, you shut it off, it ran perfectly fine, you know everything's good. The only thing you have to do is get that cover off, get that rope starter off, and turn the crankshaft by hand. Because on a pressure washer, that's the only way to do it. So thank you for stopping by my homestead. Please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. You all have a great day.